What the f is that? No, I swear, what is that? What the f? What the fuck?
Shout out to Manifest 365, the movement.
Good morning, my cool guy. Alright, we're going in, guys. We're going for a straight dive.
What's up, cool guys?
Back it up.
We're going home today.
Like that.
We're going home today. And we're going to go home and say, what's up, my cool guys? I'm about to jump. Dad, watch with the captain.
It's okay.
I have to stand on one hand.
Hey, there you go. Good job.
1, 2,
Look at me. Yo, you just did a mean belly flop, bro. That was a good one. Alright.
Shout out to Manifest 365, the movement.
We're gonna have an interesting vlog today. I'm actually camping for a whole weekend out here in the woods. I've never been camping before. I'm kind of scared. Right now we're getting ready to set up this this 6-person tent.
So our house is literally here.
This is literally gonna be my house for the next 3 days. Honestly, right now I'm not too happy because these mosquitoes are not playing, bro. They just sucking up my skin like a bad thirsty chick on a Dixie highway. That didn't make sense. This is our home for the next 3 days. Up here we got a fire pit right there. These people brought a whole freaking hotel with them. Yo, this thing is massive. Staying at the Ritz-Carlton over here, and we're staring at the Super 8. That's that BS, bro. But I see how we doing it. My man's over there came with a whole RV. My boy came through with the whole house. He's like, nah, we going camping the right way. As the sun is starting to set, we are getting ready for dinner time. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, this is a hell of a vibe out here right now. Check this out. We got the whole camper out. We got the chairs. We got the whole table right now. We got some steak, potatoes. Damn, son. We ain't good out here.
Next morning.
Good morning, my cool guys. Today is day 2 of camping. It's about 7:30 in the morning. It wasn't that bad, actually. Oh, so I just seen someone. Oh, good morning, JVN.
Good morning.
What you doing up? You're supposed to be sleeping, buddy. You okay in there? You slept good? Day 1 of sleeping in a tent wasn't that bad. I slept pretty good. Someone's in there sleeping. There's actually some woods right here that I kind of want to go explore right now. Apparently there's bears and deers back here. I shouldn't be here right now because I don't like snakes, spiders, nothing has to do with outdoors. I'm actually really freaking scared. Oh. Oh my gosh. Dude, what are you doing? Dude, you can't just run up on me like that, bro. I'm focused and scared right now.
3:28 a.m.
Okay, guys. I am literally walking in the middle of the woods. Well, there's like I'm on a paved road right now, but I'm getting ready to walk into the woods. Yo, it is freaking dark as hell back here. You can't see
No light.
You can't see nothing over here. Okay, turn the light back on. So from what they said, supposedly there's I don't know, like bears and shit in here. Dude, I can't see shit. I'm scared right now, dog.
$100 bill, y'all.
Yo, what the hell are we doing out here? No, for real, honestly, I don't want to be here anymore.
But that's the whole point of camping.
No, dude, I can't see shit right now. Dude, literally, something could pop from the side here. I don't even know. Okay, guys, right now it is pitch black. We're getting ready to go in the actual forest itself. If you can get a quick look, can you shine out there to see what's out there? It's literally pitch black. I am so... Yo. No, I thought I heard something. Dude, I swear. I'm not good with this. I can't see nothing. Can you see? For real.
I mean, I can see wherever I can see with the light, but I can't really see Like what the freak?
Yo, I can't see nothing.
I literally can't see anything.
I don't know. Yo, what the fuck is that? No, I swear, what is that? Oh shit! What the? No! What the hell is that? No, yo, what is that? What is that? No, yo, what is that? Yo, what is that?